DJ Delz.
What's good, Funko Pop addicts? We got a brand new pickup. We got Prince right here. Caught this over at GameStop. You can still find it in guaranteed mint condition. I will link down in the description box below. Say no more. Let's take him out of the box. Let's go. Okay, so looking at Prince up close, looks fantastic. Love the glasses with the gold trim. The guitar looks super badass. And I love how the shoes got some sparkle to them. Really awesome. Bong, hit it with a little light so you can see them shoes just glitter away. Really pops like crazy. I love it. Really dope. You see he's got his little birthmark right there. And once again, great details. I love the jacket in the back, how it's got kind of like a slight gloss. The guitar strap got like a cheetah print, and those damn shoes just pop like crazy. And then there's a look at his other side profile. Let me know in the comments your favorite Prince song. I would say mine is either Purple Rain or Dove's Cry. And there we go with a detailed look at Prince, the third eye sunglass Prince, and awesome pop right there. There's some of the other ones that you can get, and there's also FYE exclusive. I'm pretty sure it's FYE, and the actual jacket is like glittery, so stay on the lookout for that one. But in the meantime, if you're looking for these three, I will link down in the description box below so you can lock them down. Let me know if there's any Funko that you are looking for. Maybe I can help you out, maybe someone else could help you out. What I'm looking for right now is the Finn Balor WWE Chase. I'm looking for the Ant-Man Chase. I'm looking for the metallic Thanos. And I am also looking for... there's something else I'm looking for, but I forgot offhand. Those are just some of them. You can always hit me up on my Instagram over at Delz, D-E-L-Z, Delz Toy Show. Definitely follow me over there. Plus, hit me up if you got anything you're wanting to trade. I definitely am trying to slim down my collection. Everything you're seeing right here is not available though. But I do have doubles of a couple of pieces right here, so I do take that back. But I'm definitely looking to slim down the collection because I just have too many pops right now, and I want to buy more. So I gotta kind of just trim it down. So if there's things that you're looking for, definitely hit me up. Like I definitely got this available to trade. I have the Iron Spider available to trade. I have a lot of other stuff willing to trade. So just hit me up. Let me know what genre you're looking for. I got a bunch of Stranger Things that I'm willing to trade also. So hit me up. Delz Toy Show. Let me know what you got. And I'm willing to also trade like a bunch for one rare too, because I understand that, you know, they're worth more money. So like if you're starting and you run into a rare Funko and you just want to build your collection, I can do like 3 for 1, you know, whatever the equivalent of what they're worth is to make it a fair trade. So definitely hit me up over at Delz Toy Show, and thumbs up the video if you haven't already. Look in the description box below. As I said, I'll have info on where you can find the Prince for mint condition and other new Funko Pops like the Predator ones that are coming out, and you do have the chance to get the Chase and a ton of others. There's a bunch of new Marvel coming out. There's a lot, so I have a listing in the description box below for your convenience, so check all that out. Thanks for tuning in. Much love, and we out.